What's up, folks? Patrick LaRouche here with Evolve Restorative Therapy. You can find me at livepainfreeprocess.com, where I'm going to help you communicate with your body physically, mentally, and emotionally to eliminate pain, folks. We have to get your body to start talking with you and you understanding what it's talking about. So, tip for today that we're going to be talking about is all about the lymphatic system. You know how I go crazy over the systems, folks. So this is a big system that a lot of people don't really think about when they do all the things that they're doing. So this system, this lymphatic system, is designed to get all the sludge out of your body, all the toxic waste that your body produces. It comes through this channel into the rest of the ways getting out. Your sweat, your pee, your poop, all that has to run through the lymphatic system. But what people don't realize is the lymphatic system is really molasses slow. So we have to understand that if we're going to do this massive detox, all these movement-based stuff that's going to get muscle tissue to move and do all this, our lymphatic system is going to be taxed. And if our lymphatic system is not up to par, if you're not hydrated enough, if you're not eating the right things that's keeping the lymphatic system up to par, that's going to be really sluggish on top of the sluggish nature that it is. So I hear everyone going through all these detoxes and all these things to make the body better, but they're not realizing that they can only move as fast as the lymphatic system will allow it. So we have to take that under consideration. So our lymphatic system is something that moves with peristalsis, for instance. So it works with the efficacy of your muscle. So the better your muscle can contract, because where they're situated, that's how your body's going to eliminate the toxins inside the body. And as you can see, the lymphatic system is widespread throughout your body from the top part of your head to your tippy toes. But there's high pockets of lymph nodes. And when people get sick and they touch around their neck or your armpit, they're like, oh, yeah, you're going through something because your lymph nodes are swollen. But that swollen nature is showing you the first sign that it's active. But if it stays swollen, something's up, folks. So we have to get you moving. That's why whenever someone gets sick, I tell people, you do not want to just stay sedentary for 7-8 days, how long it takes for you to get sick. You don't want to do that, because we need the muscles to contract to get the lymphatic system to work properly. So we have to, focus around how the head moves, head and neck moves, around the shoulders, around the hips, around the knees, around the ankles. That's where you have high pockets of lymphatic lymph nodes. We have to get you to start learning how to move those things to get better. So think whenever you're doing a detox of any sort, or starting to pick up your movements, your workout regimen, you have to cater to this. Now this is where it gets tricky, because they're very, very easily bypassed, because they're so close between the muscle and the skin that you can bypass it really, really quick and really easy. So the things that you need to do is all based off of intention. Get your body to communicate with the lymphatic system, not with your muscular system. So if you are sick, try foam rolling, but not foam rolling for fascia release. Foam rolling for lymphatic drainage. So you have to learn how to process up. You have to process how the lymph system is working and getting access to that. And that's a whole communication basis all on its own. So that's something that we'll talk about on a later day. But you have to understand that the lymphatic system runs all the way across the body. It's very, very slow, and we always bypass it. So we have to start getting you to realize a deeper picture of the lymphatic system. We have to get you to recognize, if my lymphatic system is not working, I'm going to swell in certain places. I have to get those places to start learning how to move through. So let's take a deeper look into the lymphatic system. So within the lymphatic systems, I already told you that there's pockets everywhere of highly dense lymph nodes. We know all around the neck, around the armpit, throughout the arms, at every joint. You want to think about it as within every joint, there's going to be a pocket of lymphatic lymph nodes, because that's going to pull whatever toxins is in that extremity into the body and dispersed throughout the core of your body. So your hips, big lymph node area. Armpits, neck, right here, as you can see, inside your chest cavity itself, there's a swell up there because everything gets pushed into that. So your liver and your kidneys, all your detox organs could start doing the job it needs to do. So what you have to do is you have to stay very conscious and realize, I want a detox. I want my body to get better, but my body can only get better if the systems around it is functional. So keep in mind how your systems are working, lymphatic system in general for this week, but you have to start getting in the thought of looking at the world like that, your body as that. You want to help your body, you want to start learning how to communicate with your body, that's top notch. But don't overstress your body because you want too much too fast. Okay? Realize it's a slow moving system, and when you are sick, one of the reasons why your body hurts is because your lymphatic system is swelling and it can't hold that type of weight. It can't do that. So we have to cater to that system, and whatever sickness you have will start to speed up because you're getting it out. As long as you stay hydrated, you eat the right foods, and keep everything moving. It's all about moving, baby. All right, so see you next week. If you like this video, pass it along. If you're not on my newsletter, please sign up. It's on my homepage of my website. And until next time, folks, bye.